This 2026 Jayco Eagle SLE 24 MLE is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in San Angelo, Texas, 76905 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, San Angelo. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features a CALLI linen interior, sleeps 5, slide-out, and 51 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front bedroom, rear kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.